Good morning, everyone. Continue our next topic. The same disorders of the respiratory system. Disorder of respiratory system. Okay. The third one is, we already discussed two main disorders. One is the bronchitis and second is the emphysema. The third one is actually the pneumonia. What is pneumonia? Pneumonia is actually, it's related with the lungs. Infection of lungs is called pneumonia. The most common causes of pneumonia is a bacteria. A bacteria which is become the cause of pneumonia. The name is Streptococcus pneumoniae. Streptococcus pneumoniae. Okay. Streptococcus pneumoniae. And a virus also. The name of the virus is influenza virus. Flu virus. Okay. A type of the virus which causes the flu is called the influenza virus. And maybe if we talk the virus and bacteria infection, there is also a type of infection. Another type of infection is the fungal infection. Okay, fungal infection. These three cause lead to the pneumonia. Okay. Okay. Now, what happens when the pneumonia occurs? Actually, the lungs tissue become lungs tissue. Not damaging of the lungs tissue happens. Actually, the lungs tissue area become filled with pus. Then the symptom of pneumonias are pus infection increases with the type of the pneumonia. Okay, there is actually two main types of pneumonia. One is the single pneumonia. And the second one is the double pneumonia. तो वर्ड इंडिकेट करते हैं ना, टू टाइप्स ऑफ नमूनिया मीन्स द सिंगल नमूनिया एक दफ़ा हुआ और डबल नमूनिया मीन्स दो दफ़ा हुआ. नो, नॉट एट ऑल. द सिंगल नमूनिया मीन्स विच इफेक्ट द only one lung. Okay, two lungs are present in human body. If the infection occurs in one lungs, then we said single pneumonia, and if both lungs are affected, then we said it's a double pneumonia. So, what are the clinical features or the symptoms of pneumonia? The patient comes with the number one thing is the high fever, very high fever, the shivering and severe cough with the sputum present. What is the meaning of sputum? Sputum means the presence of saliva, pus saliva. Pus saliva means ये जो आप थूक फेंकते हैं ना, उसको कहते हैं. Okay. Sputum protection. So the clinical features, the sputum can be checked in the clinical laboratory for checking the type of the pneumonia and what is the concentration of these infection occurs in your lungs. The patient may be short of breath. That's why the pneumonia patient use the ventilator or the nebulizers. The patient's skin, sometimes the color of the patient's skin become dusky. What is the meaning of dusky? Mean purple in color. वो जिसे कहते हैं नीला पीला पड़ जाना. Okay, becomes purplish. Okay, it is due to poor oxygenation of blood. Vaccines are available. This is not the type of the coronavirus. The vaccines are available to prevent the pneumonia, which is called by the Streptococcus pneumoniae. Antibiotics are also available. Many antibiotics are available. Treatment, there are many treatment for the pneumonia also. Treatment, the first one is the antibiotics are used. Many antibiotics are used to cure the pneumonia. And the second thing is for the prevention purpose, there are vaccines available. Vaccines are available for the influenza and for the pneumonia also. Okay, the fourth one is the asthma. Fourth disease is asthma. Asthma is actually, when we talk about the asthma, it's not a type of a disease. It's actually an allergy or maybe the inflammation of the bronchi. It may be, we said that the inflammation of bronchi. Now you know about the bronchi. Trachea opens into two main pipes, the bronchi, which opens in the lungs. Okay, more mucus production. If asthma happens, then the mucus increase. Okay, the second is narrowing of the airways, breathing difficulty, these things. Actually, the asthma, sometimes the main cause of the asthma is some allergy causing factor. What are the allergy causing factor? There are few factors which cause the allergy in some person. Differ from a person to person, but some allergy causing factor. What are the allergy causing factor which cause the allergy? In number one is the dust. Number two is the smoke. Number three is the perfumes. And the fourth one is the pollen. Okay. These are actually the allergy causing factors which expose to any such allergens that the sensitive airways immediate excessive response of the constriction. The patient feels difficulty in breathing due to these all. Okay, these are the actually allergy causing factors. The symptom of the asthma vary from person to person. सब में सेम नहीं होती, कुछ लोगों में कुछ डिफरेंस होते हैं. Actually sometimes some patient feels the shortness of breath, shortness of breath, especially with the excretion or at night, especially at night. Okay, the major symptoms, the major one is whistling sound. Whistling, ऐसे लग रहा है जैसे आप सांस ले रहे हो साथ में whistling कर रहे हो. The whistling sound when breathing out. Okay, cough or the